Psychotherapy as a profession is devoted to relieving human suffering and the promotion of psychological well-being. It is guided by a set of ethical principles and standards designed to protect the welfare and rights of clients. Grounded in respect, integrity, and kindness, ethical practice in psychotherapy serves as a beacon of moral clarity amidst the complexities of the therapeutic journey. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we explore the ethical foundations in psychotherapy. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Number 1. Informed consent. At the heart of ethical practice lies the principle of informed consent, an ongoing process whereby therapists provide clients with clear and comprehensive information about the nature, goal, risks, and benefits of therapy. Informed consent empowers clients to make autonomous decisions regarding their treatment, fostering collaboration, trust, and mutual respect within the therapeutic relationship. Moreover, therapists must ensure their clients have the capacity to provide consent and that consent is obtained voluntarily, free from coercion or undue influence. Number 2. Confidentiality and privacy. Confidentiality stands as a cornerstone of ethical practice in psychotherapy, enabling trust and safety within the therapeutic relationship. Therapists are bound by strict confidentiality obligations, refraining from disclosing client information without explicit consent, except in situations where there is an immediate risk of harm to the clients or others, or where mandated by law. Upholding client privacy extends beyond the therapy room, encompassing the secure storage and transmission of client records and information to prevent unauthorized access or disclosure. Number 3. Boundaries and dual relationships. Maintaining clear and consistent boundaries is essential to preserving the integrity and effectiveness of the therapeutic relationship. Therapists must establish and uphold professional boundaries that describe the roles and responsibilities of both therapist and client, ensuring that the interactions remain focused on the therapeutic goals and objectives. Furthermore, therapists must refrain from engaging in dual relationships wherein they assume multiple roles or relationships with clients outside the therapeutic context that may compromise objectivity, confidentiality, or the therapeutic process. Number 4. Cultural competence and diversity. In an increasingly diverse and multicultural society, therapists must demonstrate cultural competence and humility in their practice, acknowledging and respecting the unique backgrounds, identities, and experiences of their clients. Culturally competent therapy involves an awareness of one's own cultural biases and assumptions, as well as a willingness to engage in ongoing education and self-reflection to better understand and address the cultural dynamics that shape clients' worldviews and therapeutic needs. By embracing diversity and cultural sensitivity, therapists create inclusive and affirming spaces where all clients feel valued, safe, respected, and understood. Professional competence and continuing education. Ethical practice in psychotherapy necessitates a commitment to ongoing professional development and competence, ensuring that therapists possess the knowledge, skills, and expertise necessary to provide effective and ethical care to clients. Therapists must engage in regular supervision, consultation, and continuing education to stay informed of advances in theory, research, and practice, as well as to address any areas of professional growth or development. By upholding high standards of competence and professionalism, therapists honor their ethical obligations to provide quality care and promote the well-being of clients. In conclusion, as stewards of the psychotherapeutic process, psychotherapists bear a solemn responsibility to uphold the highest standards of ethical conduct grounded in respect, integrity, and compassion. By following the principles of informed consent, confidentiality, boundaries, cultural competence, and professional competence, therapists cultivate an ethical framework that prioritizes the welfare and dignity of clients above all else. In doing so, they honor the sacred trust bestowed upon them by those who seek healing and transformation within the therapeutic space, illuminating the path towards ethical integrity and excellence in psychotherapy. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health worksheets and resources, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, Thanks for watching.